Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in the last video, we learned Python basic in about 10 minutes just to get started quickly. And today, we are going to learn something really important in programming, how Python make decisions. Yes, just like humans. Because in real life, we always make decisions, right? If it is raining, we take an umbrella. If we are hungry, we eat. If we are tired, we sleep. Programming works the exact same way. And in Python, we use something called if-else statements to do that. So by the end of this video, you will clearly understand what if-else is, how to use it, how programs make decisions, and we will build some real example together. Alright, let's start simple. So first, what is an if statement? In simple words, an if statement tells Python if this condition is true, do this action. The structure looks like this. If condition colon do something. Very important thing in Python, notice this colon here. And also, this space before the next line, this space is called indentation. Python uses indentation to understand blocks of code. Let's see a real example. Imagine we want to check if someone is 18 or older. Age equal 18. If age greater than or equal 18, print you can vote. Let's understand what happens. Python reads this like a sentence. If age is greater than or equal 18, then print you can vote. Since age is 18, condition is true. So Python prints the message. If I run this, output you can vote. Now let's change the age. Age equal 50. Now the condition is false. So Python just skip the print line. Nothing happens. No output. And this is where beginners get confused. They accept Python to say something, but Python only acts when condition is true. So how do we handle the otherwise situation? We use else. Now we tell Python if condition is true, do this, else do something else, like real life. Example, age equal 15. If age greater than or equal 18, print you can vote. Else print you are too young to vote. Now Python always gives an answer. If age greater than or equal 18, first message. Otherwise, second message. So if I run this output, you are too young to vote. Perfect. Let's make this more practical. We will ask the user to enter a number and check if it is positive or negative. Num equal int inside brackets input enter number. If number greater than or equals 0, print this is a positive number. Else print this is a negative number. So what's happening here? We take input, convert to integer, then check condition. If number greater than or equals 0, it's positive. Else negative. If user enters -5, output this is a negative number. Now you can see Python is making decision based on your input. That's powerful. Now imagine we have more than two possibilities. Example, exam marks. If marks greater than or equal 75, distinctions. If marks greater than or equal 50, pass, else, fail. Now we have three outcomes. For this, Python gives us elif. Elif means else if. So structure if condition 1, elif condition 2 and else. Now let's see about the example. Marks equals 65. If marks greater than or equals 75, print distinction. Elif marks greater than or equal 50, print pass. Else print fail. Python checks top to bottom. 65 greater than or equal 75 false. 65 greater than or equal 50 true. So output pass. And Python stops there. It does not check further one's method. That's important. So now you understand how Python make decisions using if, else, and elif. There are fundamental building blocks of programming logic. Almost every real program uses them. In the next video, we will learn another powerful concepts. If this video helped you understand if else clearly, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next Python tutorial. Keep learning, keep coding.